Hello and welcome to my channel Craftyhands. Today I'll show you how to make a jewel dolphin decorative piece out of waste materials. For materials, check the description box below. Now let's get started. For dolphin, take a cardboard and draw a drawing of dolphin on it. And then cut it. Here I am using aluminium foil to make a body shape of the dolphin, though you can use paper mache or any other clay, but aluminium foil is very light in weight, so I am using it. Just crush the aluminium foil and with the help of sellotape or a glue gun you can stick it on the cardboard. And now it is done. And to cover up the dolphin body, I'll use a texture paste which I made by adding pop, plaster of Paris plus white glue. First of all, roughly cover all over the body, and when it gets dried, then you can smoothen it. Here I am making fins for the dolphin. And add those fins on the body of dolphin in the proper place. Where do you want to add these fins? After drying, I have applied one more coat of texture paste to make it smoothen. And now I am making eyes. I have taken a small amount of air dry clay and I made the eyes of dolphin. My dolphin is ready. Now take a CD and a cardboard and paste them together. Take some aluminium foil, crush them, and make the border of the circular disc area. Here you can see that I have made some shapes with aluminium foil, and now I'll paste it on the bottom. As you can see in the video, they are just randomly I made these shapes, as you can see. Here I will fix the dolphin, just check, and now apply texture paste. Now fix your dolphin. We will give some support to fix it. Now it's get hardened. Apply colors. Here I am using sparkling pearl colors. You can use metallic also. This is sparkling blue, light blue color. Sparkling silver color. Guys, if you have any query regarding this DIY video, you can ask me in the comment section below. Please subscribe my channel for more DIY videos and get updated by pressing bell icon. Here I am trying to give an ocean effect where my dolphin is diving. I am using silver metallic color, sparkling pearl color for dolphin. Here I am using CD cutouts. How to cut a CD without breaking it? You can check the link in the description below. Now paste these cutouts with the help of Fevicol or white glue. These cutouts of CDs will give an effect of jewel to my dolphin. Now use black color for the eyes. I have some seashells which I am going to paste it. It's almost done. Now give some touch up with silver sparkling colors. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, comment and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you didn't yet. See you soon with another DIY project. Till then, bye bye.